Push Dagger knives are compact and specialized self-defense tools designed for close quarters protection. Featuring a short blade perpendicular to the handle, they offer discreet and efficient defense options. Easily concealable due to their size, these knives enable quick deployment in emergency situations. With ergonomic grips and sturdy construction, they provide individuals with a reliable means of defense, emphasizing control and precision, making them a choice for personal safety in critical moments. I'd included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 10. Schrade SOCP 50 Mini Push Dagger Fixed Blade Knife stands as a compact yet formidable tool, exemplifying Schrade's dedication to crafting robust and versatile blades. Its solid construction, featuring a full-tang stainless steel blade, showcases durability and reliability for various cutting tasks. The ergonomically designed handle offers a secure grip, enhancing precision and control during use. This mini push dagger's discreet size and sheath make it an ideal option for concealed carry and self-defense purposes. With its sharp, double-edged blade and practical design, the SOCP 50 epitomizes Schrade's commitment to producing high-quality knives tailored for functionality, reliability, and personal safety. Number 9. CRKT Tecpatl Fixed Blade Push Dagger embodies an amalgamation of ancient design and modern functionality, representing a unique and formidable tactical tool. Crafted with high-quality 8-tier 13 mauve stainless steel, its sleek double-edged blade offers exceptional sharpness and durability for versatile cutting needs. The ergonomically contoured G10 handle ensures a secure grip and optimal control, facilitating precise handling in critical situations. Its discreet and compact design, coupled with the included sheath, makes it an ideal option for discreet carry and self-defense applications. CRKT's dedication to innovative design and practicality is evident in the Tecpatl, showcasing a balance between historical inspiration and contemporary craftsmanship, catering to the needs of modern-day adventurers and tactical enthusiasts. Number 8. Gerber Ghostrike Punch Knife Black epitomizes discreet yet formidable self-defense capabilities, embodying Gerber's commitment to innovation and practicality. Crafted with 420 HE stainless steel, this compact and lightweight fixed blade offers exceptional durability and sharpness. Its skeletonized rubberized handle provides a secure grip and comfortable handling, allowing for precise control in critical situations. The Ghostrike's low-profile design, complemented by the included sheath with multiple carry options, ensures discreet and convenient everyday carry. Engineered as a versatile self-defense tool, the Ghostrike Punch Knife stands as a testament to Gerber's dedication to producing reliable and functional blades for those seeking reliable and discreet personal protection. Number 7. Benchmade Mini SOCP Dagger embodies compact yet formidable self-defense prowess, showcasing Benchmade's precision craftsmanship and innovation. Engineered with premium CPMS-30V stainless steel, its double-edged blade boasts exceptional strength and edge retention. The ergonomically designed handle offers a secure grip and optimal control, enabling swift and precise maneuvers. This discreet and lightweight dagger is specifically tailored for personal protection, featuring a skeletonized design and compact profile for easy concealment. With its included sheath and versatile carry options, the Mini SOCP stands as a reliable companion for professionals and enthusiasts seeking a discreet and effective self-defense tool, underscoring Benchmade's commitment to quality and functionality in tactical gear. Number 6. VZ Punch Dagger is a compact yet formidable self-defense tool designed for close-quarters combat. Crafted from high-quality materials like stainless steel or titanium, this dagger features a triangular-shaped blade with a reinforced tip, optimizing piercing capability while ensuring durability. Its ergonomic handle provides a secure grip for precise maneuverability, making it an ideal choice for swift and effective strikes in critical situations. With its compact size and discreet profile, the VZ Punch Dagger offers individuals a reliable means of self-protection, emphasizing both functionality and portability for those seeking a reliable defensive tool in a compact package. Number 5. Schrade SOCP 54 Push Dagger Double Edge Blade showcases a formidable double-edged blade, meticulously crafted for versatile functionality and reliability. Its compact yet robust design, featuring a 3.24-inch 8-gear 13 high-carbon stainless steel blade, ensures exceptional strength and durability for various cutting tasks. Engineered with a sharp piercing point and a finely honed edge on both sides, this push dagger offers precision and agility for tactical applications or everyday use. The ergonomic handle, constructed with textured TPE overlays, grants a secure grip, enhancing control and comfort during handling. With its included thermoplastic sheath, the SCP-54 Push Dagger ensures convenient and safe carry, underscoring its status as a practical and dependable tool for enthusiasts, professionals, and outdoor adventurers alike. Number 4. Cold Steel SafeMaker 1 Push Dagger Knife epitomizes precision and strength in its compact design. Crafted from top-grade Japanese AUS-8, a stainless steel, its 4-inch double-edged blade boasts exceptional sharpness, resilience, and corrosion resistance. Engineered for versatility, this push dagger features a slender yet robust blade profile with a sharply tapered point, facilitating effortless piercing and cutting tasks. The ergonomically contoured handle, constructed from deeply textured cray extetum material, ensures a secure and comfortable grip, enhancing control and maneuverability during use. Complemented by a sturdy, secure sheath, the SafeMaker 1 remains easily accessible and provides reliable protection, making it an ideal choice for self-defense or utilitarian purposes, admired by enthusiasts and professionals seeking a compact, reliable tool for various cutting needs. Number 3. Ontario Knife Company Ranger Kerambit stands out as a testament to precision and tactical efficiency. Crafted with exceptional craftsmanship, this Kerambit boasts a razor-sharp 3.1-inch 5160 carbon steel curved blade, exhibiting outstanding strength, edge retention, and resistance to wear. Its distinctive design emphasizes the curved blade's optimal angle for slicing and slashing motions, ideal for self-defense or utility tasks. The ergonomic G10 handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, ensuring precise control and maneuverability in various conditions. Designed with a reinforced nylon sheath for convenient and safe carry, the Ontario Knife Company Ranger Kerambit remains a trusted choice among professionals and enthusiasts seeking a reliable, compact tool for close-quarters combat or everyday cutting needs. Number 2. Fox Knives Dart represents a fusion of exquisite craftsmanship and tactical prowess. Constructed with precision, this formidable knife features a 2.75-inch bowler and 690 Co stainless steel blade, renowned for its durability, corrosion resistance, and excellent edge retention. Its spear point design offers a fine piercing tip and a versatile cutting edge, ideal for intricate tasks or self-defense scenarios. The ergonomically designed handle, crafted from G10 material, ensures a comfortable and secure grip, enhancing precision and control during use. Engineered for ease of carry, the dart comes with a sturdy Kydex sheath that allows quick access while safeguarding the blade. An embodiment of reliability and functionality, the Fox Knives Dart stands as a preferred choice among professionals and enthusiasts seeking a compact, high-performance knife for diverse cutting needs and tactical applications. Number 1. Boker Plus TUF is a testament to rugged durability and versatile performance. This knife boasts a 3.5-inch blade forged from high-quality D2 tool steel, renowned for its exceptional hardness, edge retention, and resistance to wear. The drop-point blade design offers a robust, all-purpose edge suitable for various cutting tasks and outdoor activities. Its full tang construction ensures enduring strength and stability, while the ergonomic G10 handle provides a comfortable and secure grip for extended use. With a versatile Kydex sheath offering convenient and safe carry options, the Boker Plus TUF stands as a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, and anyone seeking a resilient, high-performance knife capable of tackling demanding situations and everyday cutting needs with ease.